Hello students, welcome to my channel GS Maths. Continuing my chapter of areas related to the circle from class 10. Today I am going to continue with the topic where I left out, that is area of the combined plane figures, right? Now the very first question, I have drawn the figure for you, that is a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ O, right? Then it's given OA equals to 20 centimeter and of course pi is 3.14, that is to be used. Now what we are to do is we are required to find area of the shaded region. Now OA is 20 centimeter, this OA. Now what I am going to do is, this is again 20, this side I am going to find OB by using Pythagoras theorem. Now find OB first. So I have OB square equals to OA square plus AB square. That is 400 plus 400, 2 times 400. 400 into 2, that is OB is under root of it, or OB equals to 20 under root of 2. So OB equals to 20 under root of 2 centimeters. OB comes out to be 20 into under root 2 centimeters. I have calculated OB by using Pythagoras theorem only so that I can get the radius of this quadrant. This means this is 20. It is OB is 20 under root 2. Now it's very simple. If I find area of the quadrant and subtract area of the square from it, I get the required answer, that is area of the shaded portion. Area of shaded region or portion is equal to area of the quadrant, minus area of square, Now area of the quadrant, angle is 90 degree, 90 upon 360 into pi r square. Pi is given to us as 3.14. Radius is 20 under root 2 square. That comes out to be 800. 20 under root 2, that is 20 is 400 with square. Under root 2 the square is 2. It comes out to be 800. Radius square minus area of square. Area of square is side square, that is 400. 20 into 20 is 400. This goes and 4. This goes, it's 200. So I get 248, 212, 236, 12. That is 628 minus 400. It comes out to be 228 centimeter square is the area of the shaded portion, this portion. It was very simple. Only thing was I had to find the radius of this quadrant. So radius of this quadrant was calculated by using the Pythagoras theorem. Since this angle is 90 degree, OB square equals to OA square plus AB square. So from this I get OB the value. So area of the shaded region or shaded portion is area of the quadrant minus area of the square. I get the answer as 228 centimeter square. Now the second question of today's lecture is, it's a combination of plane figures like a quadrant, a semicircle, a square inscribed in a semicircle. Okay, we have to calculate the remaining areas or the remaining areas of the figures. They can be calculated only by drawing the figures first and then applying the appropriate formulas which we have already covered up in this topic. Now the second question is this. Question is, a right angle triangle is given to us. This is OACB, OA, right here, like this, OACB. This is point C, this is B. OACB is a quadrant, given to us with center O. This is the center, and radius is 3.5 centimeter. Radius is 3.5 centimeter. That is, this is again 3.5 centimeter, right? OD is 2 centimeter. This is given to us. It's good. This is D. So OD is given to us as 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. What we are required to do is find area of this shaded region and the quadrant OACB. Quadrant is very easy. First part is find area of quadrant. Area of quadrant. This is how much? 90. Same formula. 90 upon 360 into pi into radius. Radius is 3.5 square. That is 1 by 4, 22 by 7 into 12.25. 35 into 35 is 1225. So a decimal is there. We will solve this. It's 2, it's 11. Then when we solve this, we get the answer as, say, 77 by 8 centimeter square. Like this. This is area of the quadrant. Now how to calculate area of the shaded region? Area of the quadrant. Second part was area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. This is area of the quadrant. Area of quadrant minus area of right angle triangle. Area of right angle triangle. Area of triangle, say BOD. BOD. For this, area of the quadrant we have already calculated, that is 77 by 8 minus area of triangle BOD, half base into height. That is half, base is 3.5, the height is 2 centimeter. This is 2. 2 with 2 goes, I get the answer as 77 by 8 minus 35 by 10 centimeter square. This is the way how we calculate the area of the shaded portion in this question. Now next sum. Question number 3. It's a very, very important sum and a very good sum. You have to understand it. Just you have to draw the figure, look into it, understand it, and find a way how we can find area of the shaded region in an easy way, right? Not to make the question a complex one so that you find it you are stuck up in between. Just try to make it easy. Now question is third sum. Question number 3. A square is there, right? Side is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Now I have to find the area of this region. Area of this region. Calculate area of the shaded portion common between the two quadrants of a circle of radius 8 centimeter. Right? Now, first of all, this is, let me name this, it's A, B, C and D is a square. Now let me draw it again. This, let me join this. This is 8, this is 8, this is A, B, C, D. all the sides are 8 since it's a square, right? Now, if I want to find AC, I will use Pythagoras to find AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. It becomes 64 plus 64, that is 64 into 2. AC is under root of it, or AC is 8 under root 2 centimeter. This is 8 under root 2 centimeter, right? Now AC is 8 times under root 2 centimeter. Now just draw this, right? And drop a perpendicular BM on AC. Draw. First of all, I will find this area. This area means this. If I join this, I will get this area first. This area. If I get this area, I will double it. I will get whole of the shaded region. Now, what we have to do is draw BM perpendicular to AC. BM perpendicular to AC. Now AC is 8 under root 2 centimeter, right? Now the diagonals of the square, they bisect each other. That means AM is half of 8 under root 2. That is AM is half of AC. I can write that is AM equals to 4 under root 2 centimeters, right? This becomes AM 4 under root 2 centimeters. This is 8. I can easily calculate BM. So using again Pythagoras theorem on this triangle, that is in triangle ABM, AB square is equal to BM square plus AM square. AB is the hypotenuse, perpendicular base, use Pythagoras theorem. AB square is 8, that is 64, minus AM square, that is 16 into 2, 32, is equal to BM square, 32, BM under the root, or BM is 4 under root 2 centimeter. Now I get BM as 4 under root 2, right? I get AM as 4 under root 2, base is 8 under root 2. Now it's very simple. If I want to find area of this shaded region, I will find area of the quadrant minus area of the triangle ABC. Let me find out. Area of, let me do it here. Let me rub this off. I have the values now. This is area of only this portion shaded region. Area of shaded portion is area of the quadrant. Quadrant is A, B, C, P, A. Area of quadrant A, B, C, P, A minus area of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. This is 90 upon 360 into, what is the radius? It's 8. It's 8, right? It is 8. 90 by 360 pi r square. Let me write pi first. 22 by 7 into 64 minus half into base. Base is AC, 8 under root 2. 8 under root 2 multiplied by the height BM. BM we calculated as 4 under root 2. 4 under root 2. 1 by 4, 22 by 7 into 64 minus, this cancels with this, 32 is there. This is 16 multiplied 16 into 22 by 7 minus 32. We get the required answer as it is 128 by 7. 128 by 7 centimeter square. We get area of this one portion, but there are two portions. So what we will do, area of the shaded region is 2 times 128 by 7. I get 256 by 7 centimeters here. I have doubled it. Why I have doubled it? This was the first part, this was the one part of it. The next part is like this. It's the same way we will calculate this part. No need to do it, just twice it. That is 128 by 7 into 2. I get 256 by 7 centimeter square. It is a very good sum. You have to just imagine it, how we can solve. You have to give it a thought, right, so that it can be solved in a very easy way. This was the way in which it can be done. Now the last sum, again a very important question. Question is, we will have a triangle in which a circle is inscribed, right? Equilateral triangle is there and a circle is inscribed in it, like this. Question number 4. This is A, B, C. A circle is inscribed in this. Circle is inscribed in this. Right. This ABC is equilateral triangle with the side 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter. I need a circle is inscribed in it. I need area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region. Now first of all, area of, let me write, area of shaded region is area of equilateral triangle minus area of the circle. I get area of the shaded region, but I don't have the radius of the circle. How to calculate it? Now this is the center O, this is the radius, this is the radius, this is the radius, right? Now just join this with this. This is O. Join this. Let me draw it properly. O was the center of the circle. This is the radius, this is the radius, radius. Now the radius drawn, the perpendicular drawn from the center, right, is bisects this. This is a tangent, it is always at 90 degree. It is always at 90 degree. It is always at 90 degree, right? Now, how we calculate area of the equilateral triangle? It's simple. It is under root 3 by 4 into side square, that is 24 square. I get under root 3 by 4 into 576. That comes out to be, it goes 414, 1744, 16 and 144. 144 under root 3 centimeter square is the area of the equilateral triangle. Now, how to find area of the circle? Area of equilateral triangle, this is made up of, we will break this area into 3 triangles. Area of triangle OAB, area triangle AOB plus BOC plus AOC, triangle AOC. Do you agree with it? Yes. Now triangle ABC is formed by three triangles AOB, BOC and AOC. I have written here. But area of equilateral triangle we have calculated as 144 under root 3 equals to. Now AOB, base is this is the perpendicular, that is half into perpendicular into base. Similarly of this, that is half 24 into R plus half 24 into R, that is 12R plus 12R plus 12R, I get 36R, 144 under root 3. So radius is 144, 36 under root 3. It cancels on 4, so I get 4 under root 3 centimeter as the radius of the circle. Now it's very simple. I have the area of equilateral triangle as 144 under root 3 centimeter square. So area of the circle is pi radius square. 16 into 3, 48 pi. That is 144 under root 3. Area of the shaded region, area of the equilateral triangle minus area of the circle will give you the area of the shaded region. Obviously it is in centimeter square. It's a very good sum. Just understand it. Try to understand it. Area triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. This is given. I calculated the area using under root 3 by 4 into side square. Then it was required to find area of the circle, but we didn't have radius. That radius can be done like this. Area of equilateral triangle is made up of three triangles, half into base into height and so on. I get the radius. Once I get the radius, then I calculate area of the circle, which is inscribed in the equilateral triangle. I get radius as 48, area of the circle as pi radius square, that is 48 pi. Just subtract this area of the circle from area of equilateral triangle, we will get the required answer. This finishes off the chapter of areas related to the circles, but revise it thoroughly, go through, watch my videos, watch my lectures, right? And remember the formulas and the methods how to solve a particular question. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.